Welcome. If you've ever scrolled endlessly through your Gmail looking for that one email with an important video attachment, this step-by-step guide is just what you need. Today, you'll learn the easiest and fastest way to find all emails with video files attached, directly through the Gmail app. Let's get started. First, grab your smartphone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed into the right account. Once the app is open, focus your attention at the very top of the screen, where you'll see the search field. Give the search field a quick tap. As the keyboard pops up, you'll notice some helpful filter options appear right below. Among these options, look for the word attachment. This is the key to unlocking all your emails containing files. Now, tap on attachment. Instantly, you'll see even more refined categories. This is where Gmail's power really shines. Find and select videos from the available choices. This filter tells Gmail you want to see only emails that include video files as attachments. With a single tap on videos, your inbox will update. Suddenly, you have a neatly filtered list showing every email you've received that contains a video attachment. No more guesswork, no more searching through dozens of irrelevant messages. You can scroll through the results, preview the video thumbnails, and open exactly the message you've been searching for. This feature is perfect for those moments when you need to reshare a fun memory, resend an important business presentation, or finally locate that family video you lost track of months ago. It's all there, and incredibly simple to access. So the next time someone sends you a video, or you need to find one from your email history, just follow these steps. Open your Gmail app. Tap the search field. Tap attachment. Select videos. That's it. You've mastered searching for video attachments in Gmail. Give it a try and see just how much time you save. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.